Support us by subscribing, ring the notification bell, press all.
The significance of being here in Romania is that we're flying MQ-9s in this AOR for the first time, and we're working with our Romanian counterparts and building relationships, and we're excited to support the NATO mission in this AOR.
EM-385?
I'm Captain Brendan. I'm with the 31st Expeditionary Operations Group, Detachment 1, and I am aircrew for the MQ-9. My position is a launch and recovery pilot, so myself and my sensor operator prepare the aircraft for takeoff and hand it over to the mission combat element. They fly the mission, and then when it's ready to come back, we will take the airplane back and land it safely on the ground. The MQ-9 is a very capable aircraft, is a very capable platform, and is in high demand. Its being here proves how important it is of an asset to this AOR and the commander.
Thank you, Colonel Wazir, for welcoming me and my entire contingent here to the 71st Air Base. Your hospitality during our visit has been spectacular, and it's exciting to be here